HMRC has charged a £900,000 penalty to a company that was commonly used by doctors and nurses in the UK. This umbrella company is called IPS, and they have hundreds of customers, some of which are UK doctors and other medical professionals. I'm a chartered accountant from London, and I help people deal with finances and tax. Since the introduction of IR35, UK doctors have seen a sharp increase in their tax bills. Of course, there are things that can be done to reduce the tax bill. It is almost impossible to match the kind of tax savings that doctors had before IR35. This rapid increase in the tax bills of UK doctors encouraged them to look for aggressive tax planning solutions by unregulated firms that charge them a percentage of their earnings with little to no tax bills. IPS acted as the umbrella company, and the way they processed payroll was to split the money in three parts: minimum salary, holiday pay, and ILO bonus. The funny thing is that no one knows what that ILO bonus means. It's likely to be a made-up name designed to confuse people who are not familiar with how the tax system works. So what they would do is they would pay a minimum salary through payroll and then an additional 12.07% of the salary paid as their holiday pay. And the rest of the money was paid to people as ILO bonus, which is outside of the payroll system, and it means no tax. It took several years for HMRC to identify and investigate this case. Therefore, UK doctors and medical staff will now have to pay the unpaid taxes plus additional charges to HMRC. Overall, they will have to pay a lot more money to HMRC when compared to what they would have paid if the taxes were declared as normal. Unfortunately, there are still a lot of these schemes going on. And when you are caught by HMRC, you're pretty much on your own, because HMRC will argue that the money that should have been paid to them in taxes is owed by you and not the company that you have used. And ultimately, it's your responsibility to get your taxes right. People who have used these kind of structures for a number of years could lose everything, because the tax bills plus the additional charges could be substantial. However, in this case, the firm was also charged a penalty of £900,000, and it was concluded that they operated what's called an undisclosed tax avoidance scheme. Of course, they didn't label it as a tax avoidance scheme. If you go to their website or if you look at the company, it looks like a normal umbrella company to their customers. Because this arrangement was not disclosed to HMRC, the firm will also have to pay HMRC along with their customers who were affected. I hope you have found this video useful. Please like and subscribe to stay connected, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.